Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Scuba Blue Audi A3 1.6 TDI. So it's on a 61 plate. It's got the blue roof, been S-line as well. So it's got quite a nice spec on this one. It's got the fog lights, 18-inch alloys, daytime running lights, S-line half leather interior, cruise control, bose, parking sensors. Cambelt and water pump's been done. There's a receipt for that. We've just done a service on it, and as with all our cars, it'll have 12 months MOT. It's got the wind deflector with it as well. And this one being 1.6, it's only £35 a year road tax. So we'll put all the details, spec, etc. on the advert like we normally do. Got the centre armrest, auto lights as well, 2 keys with it. Mileage is 75322. Again, we've got the wind deflector in, but the back's all clean and tidy. Seats are good. As with all our cars, they have 12 months MOT. They're all HPI motor check clear, and they come with a warranty as well. We do viewing by appointment only, so if you've got any questions, if you'd like to make an appointment, if you want to reserve the vehicle, we can reserve it as well for you. Just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.